Get these 14mm bolts out of here. Get this bracket off of here. So I get that one all the way out so I can get this last one. Now, you know, I did say that this vehicle wasn't all that bad, but I've already got a layer of rust sitting on top of my jack. Loose, and let's get this top one. And brackets. Yeah, bracket's good and rusty. Let's see if that groove there or not. Yeah, there we go. That's quite nasty underneath where that hardware bracket goes. That was rusted right out like they never replaced it. Hey, where's the parking brake? Seriously? This thing's just got a Massachusetts state inspection sticker on it. It doesn't even have a parking brake in it. Caught. There is literally no parking brake in here. We have a very chewed up speed sensor. We have the wrong wheel bearing because there's no reluctor ring for the sensor. We have no parking brake in here. Oh, I already said that. This is all dented up. Come on, people. We really need to be doing better than this. Somebody anti-seized the wheel studs.